You know what guys, I am quite a fan of Deepika Padukone's signature smoky eye makeup looks, but I really wanted to try out this smoky eye and nude lips since a really long time. So if you're looking for a party look or a day out look, then let me tell you this one works best for both. So come, let's get started. But before we start the makeup, let's prep our skin using cleanser, moisturizer and sunscreen. Step 1. Primer. To get a matte finish and for your makeup to be long lasting, take some matte primer on your hand and apply it all over your face with your hands and blend it with your fingertips. Step 2. Foundation. It's time to use a foundation. So, apply small dots of foundation on your face and blend it with the help of a blender. Step 3. Concealer. Now it's time for concealer. Let's take a liquid concealer as it works best for all skin types and apply it on under eyes and areas which have dark spots. Let me blend it with my brush. Step number 4. Loose powder. I'm going to take some amount of powder on my brush. Also dab your brush before you apply it so you don't put an excess amount of it on your face. Make sure you swiftly apply it under your eyes and not harshly rub it. Step number 5. Contouring. Tap a makeup brush in your bronzer, then sweep it along your cheekbones and around the perimeter of your face, like your temples and forehead. If you like a sculpted look, you can also run the brush along the edge of your jawline to define it. Now the base is ready. Let's start with the eye makeup. Step number 6. Eyeshadow. Now I'm going to use a light brown shade as my base eyeshadow and add dark brown shade on top of it. Now apply a black shade on the outer corners and blend it well using a brush. It's time to add shimmer. Add brown shimmer on your eyes and blend it with your brush. Now for your under eyes, apply nude based eyeshadow and blend it using a brush. Step number 7. Kajal. Now take a Kajal pencil and apply it on the upper lash line and on the waterline. This will enhance the beauty of your eyes. Make sure to use a brow cream to fill in the gaps and brush it outwards for a fine shape and the structure of your brows. Step number 8. Mascara. Take some mascara and wiggle the wand from the outer corner of your eyelash moving to the inner corner of your lashes. This will make your eyes look sharper and bigger. Step number 9. Blush. Now take some nude based blush. Take some on the brush and slightly make a stroke upwards. You can also use a cream brush for a soft and dewy look. Step number 10. Highlighter. Take some highlighter with your fingers and apply it on your high cheekbones. Step number 11. Nude based lipstick. So for this look, I am going for a nude based lipstick. This is more in the brown and peach shade. Let me apply it on my lips and press them against each other. I am also using my fingers to blend it well. You can also apply a lip liner and fill your lips in with a cream lipstick for a fuller look. I hope you found these tips helpful in recreating this beautiful and glamorous look. Here's a quick recap. Step number 1. Primer. Step number 2. Foundation. Step number 3. Concealer. Step number 4. Loose powder. Step number 5. Contouring. Step number 6. Eyeshadow. Step number 7. Kajal. Step number 8. Mascara. Step number 9. Blush. Step number 10. Highlighter. Step number 11. Nude based lipstick. Do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content.